Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Today I get to show you my room. I finally got it done and I cannot wait to take you around the room and show you where I put everything. But it took me so long to get on here and do this because it took my poor husband like 6 days to get everything painted for me because everything was taking like 3 and 4 coats of paint. So it took him longer than I expected, longer than he expected. He was like, my arm is killing me because he was coming home every day from work and going out there and painting for me. So I'm so glad that he did. And I'm telling you, girl, like I feel so blessed and thankful. I'm so thankful that you guys watch my channel and support me and comment and give my videos likes. I really appreciate it so much. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and take you around the room, show you where I put everything and what everything looks like. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And with that being said, girl, let's go ahead and take our tour around the room. Okay, you guys, so this is how I got everything set up now. This is my table that I got. This is a fold-out table I got off of Amazon. I will link this down below for you. I got all my brushes here, my mirror, my sponge. These are the e.l.f. liquid glitters. I love these, but I got this little tray from the Dollar Tree and I was like, that would work out perfect to hold those. And of course, my lipstick that got knocked over. My dog decided to get underneath of my table and I was like, uh-oh, this is about to be a problem because he likes to get to my feet. He loves to lay by my feet for some reason. So he's trying to get by my feet under the table and I'm like, this is a fold-up table, and he's a 100-pound dog. Like, he's knocking this table everywhere. I'm like, oh, Lord. So I'm going to have to try to maybe, I don't know, block off around my table somehow. I don't know. But I tried to put a pillow over here for him, and he's laying kind of next to it, but he's really not happy with it. But anyways, so this is my everyday makeup in here. I just like to have it, like, in a little basket right here, I guess. I don't know. We'll see how it works. So this is all my lip liners and lip exfoliators. This is all like brow products. What else? Eyeliners, things like that. Over here, I put all of my lipsticks in here. I had my husband actually paint the outside of this white. As you can tell, the inside is still pink, but I told him I didn't care about the inside. Like, just paint the outside that I'm going to be, you know, seeing. So he painted those drawers for me. Took him forever to get them coated. But anyways, I don't know what the heck got spilled there. Something. But I put my little cups over here with my roses. And of course, this is still some more lipsticks, like, because I need more lipstick. I put my jewelry stand, and these are just extra brushes that I never use, but you know, you can never have too many brushes. Okay, so over here is going to be where I do my nails. I'm hoping this works out, but I think it's going to. I think it's going to work out pretty well because I can just take my chair and roll it right over there. Which my chair, y'all, if you remember, it was burgundy, and I got this cover for it, and it's just like an elastic cover that you just pull over it. Like, it pulls over top the whole back of it and everything. It's a universal cover. I'll have this link below too. This was like, I don't know, $12, I think, but it looks really good in here. I liked it a lot. I was like, you would never know that that is a cover by looking at the front of it, you know? $12 is a lot cheaper than a new chair. I'm good with it. Okay, this is like my favorite part over here. I think that this turned out so good. He did such an amazing job painting this white for me. Like, it looks brand new. And he painted these drawers for me as well. Like, the inside of these used to be pink too, but I was like, just paint the outside for me, honey, so I can display them and they look good, because it wouldn't look as nice if they were still pink, you know? So I was like, I really want them white. So he was like, all right. So them things took him like 4 coats to get covered. But he did an amazing job. They look good. So up here, I just have, these are actually like, I don't know, little bill holders or paper holders or whatever you want to call these. Like you can put bills and things in here. I had picked up at the Dollar Tree a long time ago. I've been using these for my eyeshadow palettes for, oh my gosh, probably at least 5 or 6 years. I thought it was a good way to display my eyeshadow palettes, so that's what I've always used them for. Of course, I got my candles going. Got this out in my rose garden. I cut it yesterday. She's looking a little droopy, but I wanted her to dry up. I just thought she was pretty. In this bin, I got my setting powders and I got some tools. And in here, I got a bunch of lashes that I never use. Over here, I have eyeshadows. And in this drawer, I have single eyeshadows. In here, I have all my bronzers. And then I have my sponges. So in this bin, I have all of my highlighters. And then this is all of my blushes. This is the big bin. She's heavy. This is all of my foundation, setting spray, concealer, and primer. This is another heavy one. This is all of my eyeshadow palettes. I have them just kind of stacked in here because I have so many. But it's nice to have them put away. So, and this one is just a bunch of extra like nail things. Nothing really important in that one. This is all of like my detailing work, my rhinestones, anything to do decorative on my nails, my stickers, all of that stuff. And then in this drawer, I have all of my polishes. And then I have my fingernail polish remover and my bowl for it and everything. So it is so nice to have everything put away. And these bins I got off of Amazon for, I think, 20 bucks. I think all 6 of them were like 20 bucks, but they're really nice. I like them a lot. So yeah, that's that. And then over here, I have just my old table that he painted white for me, and it looks so good. I love it. He did such a good job on it. And this is my little refrigerator that he got me for Christmas. I'll try to find it and link it below. Hopefully it's still available. But I really loved it because it has like all the little drawers, but you can also remove these if you didn't want these in here, and you can adjust them as well. It has like this little bottom drawer that I keep all like my masks in. But yeah, hopefully it's still available. I'm gonna try to find it and link it below because it is so nice to have a little refrigerator. I love it. And then of course I have a basket over here for my towels that I use for my face. And then I have another basket of just extra mask there. But I love how my room turned out. I think it looks so good. I'm so excited. Let me know what you guys think of my room down in the comments. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.